G'day Stevie, how you going, mate?
Yeah, good, thanks, mate. It's always good to pop into the workshop and see this.
Thanks, mate. Yeah, so what's next on the horizon for Stevie Spark?
Yeah, Apinon Kongsong, he's got a record of 18 wins and 1 loss, and the only loss is to Josh Taylor, the current unified undisputed world champion. So, you know, he's a great fighter with great credentials, but these are the fights we need to move on to the world stage, and this is exactly what this fight will do. We'll be fighting for my WBC title, potentially the IBF title. You know, give us a world rating. It'll put us in the top 15 in the world. So this is a massive fight. We're absolutely pumped and excited for this.
No, that's awesome. Like myself and a couple of boys went down to watch your last fight down there in Brizzy. There, you fought River Daz. Brilliant outing, good showing, mate. Had a great fight.
Thanks very much for coming down. That, you know, it was bloody awesome. Had so many supporters there, and it's going to be no different here on the night. River Daz was my first fight back, you know, in the state of Queensland, so it's good to have so many people there.
Yeah, so it's been hard with obviously all the COVID restrictions and getting fights and finding someone in your weight class that's a great fight for you too, I suppose. So.
Yeah, that's it. You know, we've been stepping up weight classes the last few fights to just get fights. So now, you know, the world's starting to open up again as we're bringing in this fighter and River there. So things are starting to open up in the world and it's looking really good.
No, that's great. Look, we're proud to be sponsors of you, Stevie. You're a great representative for us and boxing and the town of Toowoomba too. Like, it's great to have someone that's going to be a very high ranked world and hopefully world champion in your class too.
Yeah, it's very special and very humbling, you know, to have so many people support me all the time. And like I said, it's really good to be fighting back in Toowoomba this time. Very excited. There's going to be so many people there. We expect the show to sell out. So yeah, we can't thank DMW enough.
No, it's awesome. Thanks very much. Look, you're here today. How about we have a bit of a look around the shop? We'll show you what's happening today, and yeah, go from there.
Sure. Thanks very much for having me. Let's have a look.
Thanks, Stevie. Righto, Steve, we're down in the workshop today here at DMW. We're in the aluminium fabrication section at the moment. And look, aluminium's a big growth market at the moment. Like, people are very conscious about their weight and their GVMs. Yeah. So the aluminium products are a real hot topic. So we've got guys here that manufacture trays and canopies and lock boxes and dog boxes. But with labour shortage, it's very hard to find these people, and we're always chasing like great welders, great fabricators in general, to be honest.
Yeah, that's great, mate. So more workers.
More workers, what we need, definitely.
And tell me about one of these canopies here. This looks a bit different to what you normally do, eh?
It is, mate. This is part of our new XTR range. So it's a more sort of lifestyle, touring-based setup. Like, the trays are very slick and stylish, but they're super strong still. So it has toolboxes, drawers, water tank, everything included, and just looks fabulous.
Yeah, they look great, eh?
Yeah, mate, no, they're brilliant. So yeah, mate, if you know anyone, make sure you let us know, mate. We're chasing people. Right, we're down here in the vehicle conversion area. This is one of our many hoists down here. The boys have been working hard. Matt's got this one to the stage where it's about to get the chassis back under it right now, so it's starting to look good.
Yeah, they are, mate. And now, with doing these conversions on new vehicles, old vehicles, you must have some sort of certification to be able to allow you guys to do this, right?
Yeah, absolutely, mate. DMW is a full federally certified second stage manufacturer. So that's a big deal. Like, that means that we have to comply by all the RDRs and regulations that any of the big manufacturers, Toyota, Ford, Isuzu, any of them have to comply by. We are held by the same rules and regulations. Yeah. And it's a great achievement, and it's not something that everyone can say, that we're a full volume second stage manufacturer, so we're proud of it here.
So DMW customers can expect the highest standard, highest safety.
That's exactly what it means, mate. You're as safe as this is in any road vehicle out there. So
yeah, great.
It's great. Look, and the guys that do these are very skilled fabricators. We're lucky to have a great crew, but like I said before, always looking for more guys to help out.
Definitely.
Yeah, mate, there's plenty going on here, but we're about to head down to the vehicle fit out area and see what's going on down here.
Yeah, great. So what's up on the hoist here today, mate?
Yeah, look, we've got one of our 200 series conversions. So this started life as a wagon. Now, obviously, as you can see, it's far from that anymore. It's a beautiful dual cab utility with a big GVM. So that's what most people want, mate. They're looking for weight carrying ability and legality and all that sort of stuff, so they can tow their big caravans or work out of it or whatever they got to do.
Yeah, it looks bloody great.
Yeah, no, we're pretty proud of them, mate. There's been a staple of what we do here, and then obviously now we've got Y62 patrols we're full federally approved for. 300 series, we're working on our approval now for it. It won't be too far away, and we'll be flat out in the predecessor for these things. So
Yeah, great. Looks brilliant.
Yeah, absolutely, mate. Look, we've got a great group of guys. We've got plenty of mechanics here, tray fitters and general fitters. But look, again, mate, we've got so much work we can do with more guys anytime. So yeah, that's what we're chasing. Yeah, so look, we've got a completely finished vehicle here. It's looking great. It's got the canopy, got the tray, all the boxes, all the accessories on it too, mate. It looks mint, about to go out to the customer.
And this is going somewhere in Australia.
Anywhere in Australia, mate. Like I say, we're federally approved.
Yeah.
Even used vehicles, like people send us from all over Australia to get done what we can do here. So
Yeah, great. The name's growing, mate.
Yeah, it is, mate. It's growing like you. Your boxing career's growing. We're going to grow together.
Thank you. Well, thanks very much for having us down here at the workshop and showing us around. Really appreciate it, mate.
It's good to have you here, Stevie. Look, mate, good luck with your next fight. I hope you go well. I'm sure you will.
Appreciate it, mate. And like everyone can sort of take notice and get plenty of views on this video, we're looking for plenty of workers, plenty of baller makers.
We are, mate. We need people to help us build these awesome vehicles.
Definitely.
Cheers, mate.